Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to install MultiMC on your Mac. It's a powerful and lightweight Minecraft launcher that makes it super easy to manage multiple game versions, mods, and custom instances, all from one place. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the official MultiMC website, multimc.org. Always make sure you're on the correct site to avoid any unsafe downloads. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the list of available downloads. Look for the version that says macOS and click the Download button. Save the file somewhere you can easily find it, like your Downloads folder or desktop. After the file finishes downloading, locate the .zip file and double-click to extract it. You should now see the MultiMC app. Drag and drop it into your Applications folder. Before launching MultiMC, you'll need to have Java installed, so let's do that next. Open your browser again and search for Java for macOS. Visit the official Java download page. I'll leave the link in the description to make it easier. On the Java site, download the version labeled Java for macOS ARM64. Once it finishes downloading, double-click the installer and follow the steps to install it. You may need to enter your Mac's password during the process. After the installation finishes, you can move the installer to the trash. Now, head back to your Applications folder and try to open MultiMC. Since it's not from the App Store, macOS might block it with a warning saying the developer can't be verified. Click Done if you see that. To allow it manually, go to System Settings, then Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the bottom where you'll see a message about MultiMC being blocked. Click Open Anyway, then confirm again in the pop-up by clicking Open Anyway. MultiMC should now launch successfully. When it opens for the first time, select your preferred language and click Next. Then choose the Java version you want MultiMC to use. If you installed Java correctly, it should appear here. Select it and click Finish. To create your first Minecraft installation, click Add Instance. Give it a name, pick the Minecraft version you want to play, like 1.21, and choose a mod loader if needed, such as Forge or Fabric. You can also use the import feature to load mod packs from CurseForge, Modrinth, or local files. Once your instance is set up, you can customize everything. Change the icon, install mods, add shader packs, tweak performance settings, and more. When you're ready to play, just click Launch. If your Microsoft or Mojang account owns Minecraft Java Edition, it'll start up right away. And that's it. You've now got MultiMC installed and running on your Mac. If this video helped, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Minecraft tutorials and Mac tips. The download link is in the description, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!